you're tired of the usual way of frying eggs. In this video, I'll show you some tips to make your everyday egg dishes more appealing. First, prepare a separate bowl and add vinegar to it. This is a secret trick that helps you ensure better results in setting the surface of the egg whites. Next, gently crack the egg and place it into the bowl of vinegar water. Do this very slowly to keep the yolk intact and avoid breaking the egg. While we wait, I'm curious to know which country you're watching this video from and what your favorite way to eat eggs is. Leave a comment below and let me know your preferences. Then, prepare a clean pot with enough water to fully submerge the eggs and turn the stove to medium heat. When the water reaches a boil, gently slide all the eggs into the pot at the same time. Once the water is boiling consistently, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. This allows the eggs to cook slowly. During this process, if you see foam rising to the surface, use a spoon to skim it off. This keeps the water clear and makes the eggs look more beautiful. The ideal poaching time is about 2 minutes for a perfectly soft, runny yolk. If you want to prepare them in advance, transfer the eggs to cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent them from overcooking. If you need to reheat them, simply lift the eggs out and place them in warm water to keep them at the right temperature. Finally, remove the eggs and gently pat them dry with a paper towel to remove excess water. The finished poached eggs will have a soft, silky, and beautifully golden yolk, while retaining their natural richness without becoming dry. They taste delicious when served with noodles, rice, or other dishes. Tip 2. First, I prepare 2 hard-boiled eggs and carefully cut them in half lengthwise. This method helps each half of the egg become a small, natural cake, making it a fun way to create mini dishes. Then, on top of half the egg, I placed a lettuce leaf as a base. Next are 2 thin slices of cherry tomato. Then, I added a layer of smoked bacon in the middle to enhance the flavor and make it even more appealing. Finally, I placed the remaining half of the egg on top to complete a cute little mini egg sandwich. To keep everything in place, I used a toothpick to gently pierce through the middle. The finished product is a compact mini boiled egg sandwich with a soft, smooth egg layer on the outside and a filling of vegetables, tomatoes, and bacon on the inside. A simple yet visually appealing recipe, high in protein and perfect for a quick breakfast or a light snack during the day. I then put the eggs in the pot and boiled them for about 10 minutes. Keep it in simmering water until fully cooked. Afterward, I took the eggs out and immediately placed them in a bowl of ice water, which made peeling them much easier in just a few minutes. Next, I prepared a loaf of bread and cut it into bite-sized slices. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. After cutting, place all the sliced bread onto a baking tray and spread it evenly. Place the bread in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes to heat it up and give it a crispy crust. Once the eggs had cooled, I gently peeled off the outer shell. Next, I carefully used a knife to cut around the egg white to make it easier to separate the yolk. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. I put the egg yolks on a sieve and then mashed them with a spoon. As for the egg whites, I used a grater to shred them into thin strands. Next, I mixed the egg yolks and egg whites together. Next came the seasoning. I added a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon mustard, 2 tablespoon mayonnaise, then add some chopped avocado to increase the natural richness. Finally, I sprinkled some dried oregano on top to add aroma and give the salad more flavor depth. All ingredients are mixed thoroughly until the mixture becomes soft, creamy, and has the right consistency. When the bread had finished baking, I took the bread tray out. Then, I scooped the egg salad onto one slice of bread, spread it evenly, and used another slice of bread to cover it, creating a complete sandwich. Finally, simply plate and enjoy. The finished product is an egg salad sandwich with a light, crispy crust and a soft, creamy filling made from eggs, butter, and mayonnaise. Not only delicious, this dish is also rich in good protein from the eggs and healthy fats from the butter, making it perfect for a quick and energizing breakfast or snack. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to continue sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.